Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A, A2, and jetback pinsetters. Long time since then. Very, very long time. I don't even remember when the last time we did an adjustment video. Hold on. February 24th of 23. It's the last time we did an adjustment video. That was number 33, the cross conveyor belt adjustment. But today, we're going to be picking up on this again. And we're going to be doing number 34, the pin gate adjustment. All these adjustments from 34 to 51, I think are actually some of the easiest adjustments that you can do. So for this one, you're going to need a 5/16 wrench and a 3/8 wrench. And that's it. All right, so to start off this adjustment, first thing you're going to do, obviously, turn the machine off, make sure everything's good to go. But then you're going to take your turret and you're going to make sure that the roller, cam follower roller is on a high of the cam. So where I find the easiest to place it is between the 2.4 or the 3.6. Next thing you're going to do is on your pin gate straps. All right, you got 2 bolts on your pin gate strap, and you're going to loosen both of those up. Oh God, it's been a while since I've done these. Forget how much this adjustment's not big boy friendly. Terribly, you're about to bleed. I don't like this. Okay, so once your 2 bolts are loose, where your actual pin gate goes and hits the latch, in your latch there should be a roll pin and or a bolt, depending on what style you have. What you want to do is make sure that that groove in the upper pin gate strap is approximately a 1/16 to an 1/8 below that roll pin or bolt. Once you have it there, go ahead and tighten up your 2 bolts. But be careful not to move the pin gate strap, because I've had that happen plenty of times. Okay. Next, get it over to a spot, and this is another thing that I was taught in the school by Frank Marabali. Basically, you take your pin gate latch, that is now that roll pin or bolt should be resting in the groove of your upper pin gate strap. Basically, go ahead and take it all the way up and drop it. Do that 10 times. If it goes 10 times without that roll pin falling off of the edge, you're good. Your pin gate is 100% and it will not fail. 3, 4, 6, 7, 10. There you go. This pin gate is 100%. Will not. And unless your cam bolts are loose or something like that, your pin gate should not randomly lock. It should not randomly unlock. It should operate exactly how it's intended to operate. That's it. That's the end of the video. Pin gate is one of the first adjustments I learned, and because it's the easiest. So, yeah. I hope this has helped. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you feel like sharing the video, that'd be appreciated. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.